everyone, it's Jessie. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the single crochet into the front loop only. I worked up a little swatch and this is kind of how it will look. It has these beautiful textured lines that go across. And so in order to start this, you're going to start off with a row of single crochets. And if you're not sure how to do that, I'm going to link a video here that you can go check out and then meet me back here. So for every row, we're going to chain one, turn our work, and we want to go into our first stitch. Here's our turning chain and here's our first stitch. For a normal single crochet, you would go underneath the entire stitch. So you'd go underneath like this, right underneath that V. But for the single crochet front loop only, we are going to go into just the front loop. All right, here is our back loop and here's our front loop. So we're going to put our crochet hook underneath, just right in between that V and underneath that first strand here. Then we're going to yarn over and yarn over, pull through two. So let's do that in our next stitch. Here's our next stitch, the V. We're going to put our hook right underneath this first strand of yarn and up through the middle of the V. Then you're going to yarn over and do a single crochet. And we'll do that again. And that is how you single crochet in the front loop only. If this video was helpful, please give me a like below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.